Imagine waking up to breathtaking Atlantic sunrises, strolling along quiet beaches and enjoying a relaxed coastal lifestyle away from the crowds. Welcome to Hutchinson Island, Florida, one of the Sunshine State's most underrated coastal escapes. I am the EET Pumpkin and I have been vacationing here all summer. And with Maria's help, we will show you why this barrier island offers a unique blend of natural beauty, small town charm, a clothing optional beach where we will have Maria nude later, a beach for your best friend, your dog, a beach to go horseback riding, the very popular Nettles Island, offering a serene escape where pristine beaches meet vibrant local culture, and cool places to eat. Wow, that looks great. Play golf and much more. Let's explore everything Hutchinson Island has to offer, including the nude beach. So, Maria, where is this tropical gem?
EET and guests, Hutchinson Island is a barrier island located on Treasure Coast, stretching about 23 miles between St. Lucie and Martin counties. Access is through causeways from Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, and Stuart Quick Drive from 95 and the Florida Turnpike. Feels laid back, peaceful, and untouched. Perfect for those seeking a slower pace without losing convenience. The beaches here are the star of the show. Wide stretches of soft sand, clear water, and some of the best shelling. And surfing on Florida's East Coast. Starting on the south tip, you have Bathtub Beach. Special, due in large part to the reef system located just offshore, which is home to more than 500 marine creatures, including endangered sea turtles. Nearby is House of Refuge, the oldest building in Martin County and a window into Florida's maritime past. Our next stop is Stuart Beach, a popular beach and a top surfing beach. Strong waves and undercurrents. Nice boardwalk, and has food, drinks, showers, and restrooms. Next door, the Elliott Museum showcases classic cars, art, and local history. Also near Elliott is a cool place to eat and drink. Also nearby is the Florida Oceanographic Coastal Center, is a must-visit for families, offering interactive marine exhibits and touch tanks. Our next stop is Beach Walk Paisley Beach. It has some nice trails. Up next is Jensen Beach, a very nice beach with restrooms, play area, and picnic tables. And a very nice beach. There is a nice stretch of road for fishing on the Indian River from the inner side of this barrier island. There are many small beaches, not too crowded, all along the island like Normandy Beach, and that nude beach we will get to soon. Can't wait to take my swimsuit off. But first we have Frederick Douglass Memorial Park, a beach for horses and people. Horseback riders have one entrance, while pedestrians have another entrance. And Walton Rocks Beach, the dog beach. Hutchinson Island is also famous for its sea turtle nesting season, from March to October, when thousands of turtles return to lay their eggs. And now we have Blind Creek Beach, a clothing optional beach. Can't wait to go nude.
Maria, you get settled in, while I show our guest cool places to eat, drink, and golf. We will be right back. For dining, Hutchinson Island offers everything from casual beachfront cafes to upscale seafood restaurants, many with beautiful waterfront views, and some cool ones like Archie's in the Fort Pierce end. We covered Fort Pierce in a separate video, so I drop a link to it at the end. Beyond the beaches, you'll find endless opportunities for fishing, boating, paddle boarding, and kayaking on the Indian River Lagoon, which leads to Nettles Island, a thriving community in Jensen Beach, Florida, on Hutchinson Island, which has 1,578 lot owners who are full-time, part-time, seasonal, or rent their properties to visitors. Enjoy top-notch services, amenities, clubs, and recreational activities. Hutchinson Island isn't just for visitors, it's also becoming a hotspot for second homes and luxury real estate. You will find a mix of oceanfront condos, townhomes, and private single-family homes, many offering direct beach or river access. Prices vary, but compared to South Florida hotspots, you can often get more space and better views for the price. Contact my buddy Art, who is a real estate agent, to help you find a place or sell a place. The lifestyle here blends relaxed coastal living with close proximity to city amenities in nearby Fort Pierce and Stuart. Plus, there are several golf courses and marinas for boating enthusiasts. What makes Hutchinson Island so special is its authentic Florida feel. There are no massive theme parks or skyscrapers, just a beautiful, natural coastline, friendly communities, and a strong sense of tranquility. It's perfect for retirees, remote workers, or anyone who loves outdoor living and wants to escape the hustle and bustle of Miami or Orlando while staying connected to modern comforts. Hey, Maria is there in the nude. Well, join her in a second. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next Florida Community Spotlight. Let me know in the comments, have you ever been to Hutchinson Island, or would you consider living here?